today I'm back with another video. Okay, so if you see on my previous vlog, like while ago, I was wearing not like I'm wearing pajamas. So yeah. Okay, today we're doing I don't know what we're doing. I just want to vlog with you guys in chat. But I guess today we're gonna organize my. I guess we're gonna organize my organizer because I have not organizer for weeks and it's all messy. So let's go. This is it. Ha? Ba't yung bibigay mo?
Siyempre, pagka dumating.
Ah, okay. I'm gonna get this. Ang dami ng markers. Guys,
Sa
look.
panty mo.
Hindi ko alam. Guys, look.
Ano alam? Saan mo hinubad? Di ba malinis to?
Tapos
Ito.
okay, guys. So, there's like a lot of some M&M.
Tayo, mamaya.
Ayan. Okay, then ano guys naman nito, grabe. Okay guys. Marami pa naman akong glue, so lalagay ko glue dito, tapos mga colored pencil. May ginawa pala kanina, check natin. Ito yun. Okay. Got everything.
Ng Kongreso sa legacy housing project ni Pangulong Marcos, lalo na sa usapin ng interest subsidy.
We guarantee that this interest subsidy will be
I still have a
appropriated
few
in the
markers
facility not
here because I'm not like doing them organized, like green pastel colors and all that like that. There's still a lot went missing. I found them. I'm gonna put them later. Maybe I will not like put everything. Maybe if I will cut. Oh, my artwork here. Oh, I guess this. Okay, glue. Okay, my ball pen. Okay, how about this one here? Okay, guys. This is part of my organizer too, but my table's not here yet. So yeah, it's not gonna be here. Oh, crayons! Crayons go right here. Because yeah, I have to. This is not glue. That's a big glue. Okay. Oh, this is the glue thing I did. Guys, this is the glue thing I did like a while ago. I didn't like vlog this, but yeah, I made it. So cute. It's so hot. Oopsie. I got this. It's so cute. Bruh, it's falling apart. Dude, look, it's falling apart. This is for slimes, but my slime didn't work out. So yeah, I just put it in here. Okay, so I still have one more weapon. And this, I think, okay guys, I'm thinking if this should go at my desk. Like down of my desk, like I have like mini storage on my desk. Okay, if it can like go with this, and I will like buy it. I know I have like